Okay, so I'm here attempting to install the Works fuel pump in my 96 Corvette LT4. So I have the pump here. The problem is, so we have the ground wire there, but then this red power wire, there's nowhere really to connect it. And so this is a whole replacement sending unit. It's Delphi part number HP 131 20 224. So I'm trying to track down a misfire the car has, but it's only in first gear. So anyways, I'm changing the pump. Maybe that's the issue. I'm not sure. Anyways, so this is the harness that came with the sending unit itself. And this is the pump that the sending unit came with. So the problem is, on this other pump, I don't have anywhere to connect this. It seems like they do it to where you can't really change it. So I don't know what to do on it. Yeah, because there's just nowhere to connect it really, because this blue wire, yeah, it's weird. See, on this one, the red wire is in the plug, as it is on here, on that bulkhead connector. But there's nowhere to put this crimped piece on. And I have no idea where to put it. Now here I have the stock pump from my 93 C4 that I used to have, and as you can see, it has the two areas where you put in your pump. The problem with this sending unit is this bulkhead. I tried to replace it because that's what went bad, and you can replace them, but the problem is they don't fit great. And yeah, so this is not a nice situation to be in.